Welcome back to Invention Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We are cruising through RENOGY's newest releases, checking out the newest stuff they got, and I found something that was pretty intriguing. Check this out right here, the REGO 12-volt 300-watt pure sine wave inverter charger. $819 right now, it's on sale, and it achieves over 90% conversion rate for optimal energy use, and this baby is really light. So let's take a closer look and see what we got here. And if you're in a hurry, you can use the links in the comments in the description to get over to this page, get a good deal on this. Use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on this right now. Helps support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate greatly. So let's take a closer look at the REGO 12-volt 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter charger. Now this achieves over 90% conversion like I mentioned, so it has a really good conversion rate. Works with gel, AGM, SLA, FLD, CAL, and lithium iron phosphate batteries, so it is very versatile. It's going to work with your older systems too if you got some other older lead acid batteries, which I wouldn't recommend using, but some people already have these things set up and maybe would like to upgrade their inverter. So this is going to be a great choice for that. It's got built-in Bluetooth and it connects with RENOGY 1M1 and Core for control. Ensures high capacity with 4-stage charging, extended battery life, provides complete protection for batteries preventing damage. Now you do see RENOGY everywhere. Now when I go to the RV and camper shows, almost every single one of them has something RENOGY inside. RENOGY has been a big name in the game for a very long time. They have an amazing reputation. Protects sensitive devices with pure sine wave inverter charger. 90% high efficiency. Like I said, that's a pretty good efficiency rate, and you get a peak power out of this baby at 9,000 watts. That's pretty crazy out of a 3,000 watt inverter. Usually you only get 6,000 watts for a short period of time. This one can actually pump out 9,000 watts. There's going to be very few things that this actually can't power. And it's pretty low noise at less than 50 decibels with the fan on. Power your off-grid life with a peak performance power capacity of 9,000 watts. That is a lot. Like I said, usually you can only get about 6,000 peak power out of a 3,000 watt inverter, so this is definitely topping the charts with that. You can easily power most heavy-duty appliances, keeping your off-grid life fully operational. Just because you're living off-grid doesn't need to feel like you're living off-grid. Manage your energy remotely. Track your inverter charger's performance on your smartphone using the RENOGY DC Home app. RENOGY app is actually one of my favorite apps to track my energy usage and my system. You get real-time energy data connected to the RENOGY 1 Core or 1M1, which is sold separately, but we'll be checking that out very soon on the channel as well. So don't forget to subscribe, stay connected, learn more in the future. This is a very easy installation process designed for simple and secure installation, making the setup quick and hassle-free. You got captive screws and push-in terminal blocks, some nice little added convenience. High energy charging and stability. The inverter charger efficiently charges your battery to 100% using bulk, boost, flow, and equalization modes, optimizing battery lifespan. Now this 4-stage process is really ideal and is highly recommended to have this. Seamless power switch in 10 milliseconds. Switch from utility power to battery power in just 10 milliseconds, ensuring that your load remains uninterrupted. Now, during a power outage, you can have this switch over to your battery system so fast that you won't even know the power went out. Even sensitive devices like servers and things like that won't even skip a beat. Activate your lithium batteries with ease. Now, if your lithium batteries do shut off due to safety protections, reactivate your lithium batteries when needed for optimal performance using this inverter right here. And it supports self-heating lithium batteries. Powering the self-heating system for the lithium battery ensures continuous operation within -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius temperature range. And this does have an easy-to-use LCD display panel, bright LCD display for status and alerts with easy navigation and parameter settings using 4 function keys, configurable input voltage range, and battery charging current. Easily detect the battery temperature with the included temperature sensor. Tested to the highest standard international certificate. Certified with FCC Class A Part 15 compliance, UL 458, including marine supplement, and CSA C22.2 number 107.1. So this definitely has been tested and scrutinized and has been able to get itself some really great certifications. So right now there is a really good deal going on. Don't forget you can use my discount code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on this or any other products from RENOGY. Use the links in the comments to get over this page. If you're interested in picking one of these up, help support my channel at the same time, which I always do appreciate very much. You can subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon so that when I do drop these new videos, updates, and price drops, you can be one of the first people to get over here.